YouTube, I am back in my bathroom, and you know what that means? That means I'm going to be doing my hair. So I know I've been gone. Well, if you watch my channel, you know that. Just go watch my other videos, you'll know an update on me. But yeah, I'm going to be braiding my hair and then sewing it in kinky straight. This is my hair right now. Yeah, it's grown quite a bit. Let me see. I'm gonna be braiding it off camera, but if you guys want to see, let me see. If you guys want to see how my braiding pattern is, just write it down in the comment section. This is my pattern. I left the middle. I'll show you guys. This is how much hair in the middle I've left out. It looks like a lot on camera. It's actually not a lot. And I left my edges. And yeah. Yep. That's my leave out. Gonna tie it up like this. Okay, so yeah. So this is the hair. It's 3 bags of kinky straight. I did wash it literally 5 minutes ago. Well, not 5 minutes ago, a couple minutes ago, and then I blow dried it. It's pretty good, but the only problem I have, if you guys can tell a difference between colors between these 3. Some of it is brown, some of it is like brown, black. I personally don't care. I was gonna dye the hair, but I figured I'm just too lazy to do that. So, I mean, they kind of match together, and my hair is not black. So the bottom part, the longest is 24 inches. This is 22, and this is 20 inches. So this goes all the way down. I'll show you guys once I'm done. Because this is the back of my hair. So I always cut this. I either sew it up. So we're gonna start from here to here, double lifted. So I take these and I start okay. I take this and I tie it every time I'm about to put a new thread in my needle. I make sure I knot it twice. It's kind of hard doing it yourself, but so that I won't have an issue. I usually keep my hair in for a month and a half, longest 2 months. Probably need to oil my hair. I'll be back. If you're doing the back, you can do this. Once you get to the front, you can't use double lefts. So I'll show you guys what I mean once we get up here. So it can lay flat. Okay, I'm back. I just oiled my hair with some wild growth. If you guys do not use wild growth, go and purchase it. It does wonders. My hair feels amazing. Anyways, back to this. So now I go flip this over, but I make sure it's at the end over here, if you can see. So I start. Okay, guys, so you can see that I did straighten. I came back, I did this, I did straighten my edges. My hair has really grown. See my hair. Anyways, so, but my edges are thin. I'm working on growing them out. So yeah, this is the 20-inch. So this is what I've done. It's really long, but I'm gonna show you guys what I meant when I said, hold on. Okay, so you guys see, this is the end. These are double wefted, 2 wefts. So I have one long part, then this one connected. This is what I'm gonna start with. So every time I get to the front, even if it's like doubled like this, I'm gonna do this so that my hair can be flat, not mountains. Through right there where I'm gonna start. Then so you see my first braid, I put the needle through here, then I put it through just one weft. You see? And I think that flat. And then I repeat in the same area. This is my hair. It is very, very long, very long. It's about all the way to my butt, the top of my waist. And for reference, I'm like 5'7.5", 5'8". So this hair seems longer than 24 inches, to be honest, but I mean, I didn't measure it. And plus I put my tracks like all the way down here, so maybe that's why. But it's very, very long, but it's giving, you guys. So it's giving, but the thing I don't like about it is, do you guys see the 2 textures? This is the texture I was expecting for the whole hair to be, and this is like a yucky type of straight hair. And you see the difference between colors. I mean, like I said, I don't really care about the color differential, but I still like it. I just wish this texture on top, the 20-inch, was a bit more, you see, like this, so that it could blend in with my hair better. I mean, my hair is semi-blended, but it's not blended like if it was like this. I will put a picture of my last kinky straight hair somewhere around here. But yeah, that one was kinky straight, and because now this is like my second time straightening it today, because I did it last night, and I don't know, it's cute though. I really like it. It's really cute. Oh yeah, for you guys, this is, let me tell you guys, put you on something. This As I Am So Moisture Classic, this one, this right here you have natural hair, because my hair, I don't know what it's called, low porosity, high porosity. Whenever I do like put just oil after I wash my hair still gets dry. So once I put this in and then I mix it in with this, it's kind of been used, wild growth hair oil and this light oil moisturizer together with this. I blow dried my hair after I washed it and it's not dry. It feels so moist. It feels amazing. And I don't put too much oil. I put just enough so that my hair won't be weighed down. And it's been great. My hair does not feel dry, even when I braided it. I will be giving you guys a review because I've only had this hair in for less than 24 hours. So I can't really give you the specs on it. I haven't tried to curl it. I'm going to try to curl it for Christmas. But Christmas is like 2 weeks. So we'll see about that. But I really do like this hair. I have okay. My hair, like I said, the top part is heat damaged, but the sides are not. I do not usually, I don't usually, what's it called, straighten my edges. It's usually braided or left alone. So, I mean, it blends in and then it doesn't. It just depends on which part of my hair. Like over here on this side, it blends in just a bit more than this side. And I just passed it through my hair just one time. I mean, right before I did this video. So I passed it through one time and that's it. And my center, like my roots are natural. They are not heat damaged. They have grown out and my straightener does what it does. But I have 4B4C hair, depending on where you're at on my head. And this is my straightener. This straightener right here does wonders. It's Remington straightener. I think I bought it from Walmart. But this thing, it's amazing. I usually put it to like 390, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it does wonders. Yeah, but I do like